Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 12th video of the game. So in this video I was going to show you how to add some detail to the terrain. So earlier we were using just one image for grass and one image for mud. But now I'm having multiple images just for the grass and the mud. So the first image just provides the color, but the rest of the images provide the other data like the surface directions and the roughness and all that. So I'll quickly run the script and show you. The scene takes time to load actually. I didn't optimize the loading yet, and I'll do that in the next 1 or 2 videos, so don't worry. And yeah, it doesn't actually lag that much because we are just applying an image on it. We are not actually creating the details. So yeah, this is how it looks. As you can see, the grass and the mud are much more detailed, and I can also disable and enable and disable it in between. So if I disable it, it looks like this. So I changed the images from the last video, but as you can see, when this effect is disabled, it looks just like an image, and when it's enabled, then all this extra detail is added. So this is how you can fake a lot of detail later on. And yeah, these are temporary anyway, so I'm going to remove them and decorate the world properly. This whole scene is temporary currently. And yeah, this is when it's disabled and this is when it's enabled. So you can take a look for yourself how much of detail it adds. And yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how I decorate the world properly. I'll make some roads and I'll make some sand and some different type of grass and all that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you know anyone who has interest in this, then do suggest my account to that person. And if you have interest yourself, then do consider following. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.